everybody, my name's Emily, Wheel Your Own Way, and this is Shakirah.
Hey, Lauren,
Hey! And this is my girl Rochelle, what's up? But she's not gonna be in the video, at least not this one after the intro, but it's all good, maybe the next one. But anyway, Shakirah is gonna teach me how to do toe spins.
Toe spins.
So let's get into it. Yeah. So my mic died. Sorry in advance for the bad sound, but look at my girl go, period. This is what happens when you're not a professional.
Trial and error. It's okay.
Okay. Okay, take two. All right, go ahead so I can make sure you're all in the frame. Of course, now it's windy. All right, that's probably fine.
Today, we're going over toe spins. When I first started learning toe spins, I started with my toe manuals. So toe manuals, we're just gonna go up on your toes, bend your knees a little bit, look up, shoulders up, core tight.
I'm moving forward.
It's okay, it's okay. Up, look up, keep your arms straight. Yep. You see how when you keep your arms straight, you stop going like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you keep your arms straight, core tight, and you can go forward. You can do that. You gotta keep your body straight, core tight. Hold tight, tight girl, tight. And I feel like the more, I warm up with these before I even spin. Even now, I feel like the more you do these, the more you get warmed up to go into your spin. Okay? There you go.
That's a little better, okay.
Yeah, see? So the next step, I spin to the left. So I look left. Start right here, wind up, look the way you spin. So your turn.
Alright.
She's gonna spin to the right. So remember, look to the right. I can't spin that way. I'm gonna let you do it.
I'm scared.
Spin them arms. There you go.
I'm gonna try.
Hold your core tight.
I got scared.
It's okay. There you go. There you go.
That was like a
There you go.
split second.
Look.
That was
Remember
better.
to look. Where you going? You want to look. I would follow this hand.
Oh, that's right.
That's what I do. I follow the hand so the
All right.
eyes get right on. You just want to go up, spin, stop.
Okay, I'll try to do like one.
Just try to do one, and then you want to do two. Keep your arms out because that'll help you with your balance. Hold them tight. Hold them tight. Squeeze. Not trying to tighten. Wind it up.
See, I got excited and then I fell out. Thank you.
There you go. There you go, girl.
Oh, that was at least one.
That was
Okay,
better.
good.
That was
Let's
better.
go. Hey. So I definitely lost the audio for this, but this was my best attempt. And it's a double spin, so I had to throw this in there.
Keep practicing that, you'll get it. Honestly, because my spins are still not on point where I want them to be, but every day I just practice. And like I said, start off just doing this for about 5 minutes. And yeah, hold it tight, hold that core tight. Yep, there you go, there you go. What I do to help me too is to count my spins. So I'll go here, and I'll go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I'll count my spins. And that'll help me a little bit, like take my mind off of like the pressure of me stressing. I want to spin, So that'll take my pressure off.
Yo, I'm really excited to like keep learning. Oh, yes. And you already know I'm gonna input the other one too. Side by side. Okay, cut it.